Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
You will actually not believe that this creamy fruit custard is made without custard powder. It's packed with goodness, have no refined sugar and is healthier. Start by combining makhanas, almonds, cashews, cardamom powder and some saffron. Soak everything in hot milk and let it rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, chop some seasonal fruits like grapes, pomegranate, bananas, apple and mangoes. I also added tender coconut flesh. Then drizzle some date syrup. Now grind the soaked ingredients and pour it over fruits. Lastly, add coconut water, chill it and enjoy. This dessert is made with semolina. It is so soft and light that it will instantly melt in your mouth. For episode 8 of series Desserts Without Borders, let's make Layali Lubnan, which translates to Lebanese nights. Start by cooking milk, sugar and semolina, stirring continuously until it becomes thick. Take it off the heat, add rose water and butter. Transfer to a greased ring mold and let it cool down completely. When it is set to touch, pipe generous amount of whipped cream, top with pistachios and serve with simple sugar syrup for most velvety dessert from Lebanon. If you are in a hurry and want to make quick and easy dessert, that too without oven, then this creamy and melt-in-mouth dessert will come to your rescue. Trust me, it's so flavorful. Start by hanging curd in a muslin cloth for 20 to 30 minutes. Then combine fresh cream and any sweetener of your choice to make a silky smooth mixture like this. Now add kesar water and transfer the mixture in any container. Pour some water at bottom of a cooker and steam it for just 15 minutes. Your kesar pista baked yogurt is ready. I can't think of any reason you don't want to try this. It's bursting with freshness, it's creamy, it's fruity and made without custard powder. Simply start by washing and soaking sabudana for 4 to 5 hours. Then in another bowl, soak makhana along with almonds and cashews in hot milk. Now add a pinch of saffron and cardamom powder and let it rest for 1 hour. Next step is to cook soaked sabudana in milk until it becomes translucent and let it cool down completely. Now chop some seasonal fruits like pomegranate, apples, bananas and strawberries. Pour the sabudana and makhana mixture over the fruits along with sweetener of your choice and enjoy your sabudana fruit custard for episode S of Easy A to Z. I have hidden world's most boring fruit in this dessert. और अगर आपने इसे एक बार इस तरीके से try कर लिया तो you will never go back to the regular one. Start by hanging dahi in a muslin cloth for 3 to 4 hours. While that's happening, combine rolled oats, pumpkin seeds and desi khand along with flour, some spices and salted butter. Now bake at 160 degrees to get the crunchy oat crumble. Now in hung curd, add saffron water and desi khand. Whisk to get a lump-free mixture. Then finally chop some pistachios and apples. Add it to the curd mixture, chill it and enjoy your apple Shrikhand. A few years back, I had this at my Masi's place and could not believe it's made with apples. So let's make Navratri friendly apple rabdi without refined sugar. Start by peeling and grating apples, then cook them in a pan until moisture is removed. Let it cool down completely. In a separate pan, cook the milk until it reduces to 1/3. Then add apples and cook again until it thickens. Now add desi khand along with cardamom powder and cinnamon powder. Let it chill for 3 to 4 hours and enjoy.
तो आप इस रेसिपी को जरूर ट्राई कीजिए एंड इफ यू डू शेयर पिक्चर्स विद मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड टैग बोल्ड बेकिंग नेशन. I'll see you next time. Till then, bake bold and live sweet.